Hello, and welcome to installment 10 of the Pennies-AI tutorial series. This time we're going to talk about search. Once you have any amount of data, you can start searching. We can click the search button here, and you can see that we can limit the search to all areas by default, or just amounts, categories, comments, dates, descriptions. So that helps you limit what you're searching for. You can also limit the time frame. By default, it's the last 30 days. But you can easily slide that up to the last year, or you can type in or choose, whichever you want to do, the dates that you want to search by. We'll just search the last 6 months. So we're going to try a search here. How about groceries? So groceries happens to be a category of groceries. And we can see that we've spent a lot of money on groceries because it adds it all up for us. And then if there's a split, you'll see this plus, and you can split it out and see the splits. If we want to save these results to a PDF, we can tap the PDF icon. You can choose a file name, you can include those splits or not. Let's just include them for now, and we can save. So on iOS, you're going to see this pop up. If you go straight to preview, it won't actually save the file. You'll just see the PDF in preview. To save the file, you have to hit these 3 dots. Then you have to save to files. Then you tell it save. And then if it's already there, you can replace it. So now we've got that saved, we can jump out to home, go to files, and then we can look at it. So this is there's the splits. So you can see that it shows you from earliest to latest the transactions that were in the search, all nicely formatted with a total. So this is nice for generating reports for your tax person, expense reports, all kinds of things like that. So back to the show. On Android, when you click on PDF, it'll ask you for the file name, and then it will save it, and it'll automatically open to a PDF viewer. On the web, it'll just automatically download the PDF, so then you can open it in your favorite program. So that's pretty much search. On the actual phone, when you're typing, and you can't seem to get it to take the focus off here, you can tap the search icon. That will take the focus off and do the search. That's just a little hint. It'll also tell you how many results it found in addition to totaling them. So search is a super useful tool. Let's say we want to search for $250. Well, we found the grocery stores. So all kinds of different ways to use it, and as you can see, even with 70,000 transactions like I have across my accounts, searches are almost instant. So thanks for sticking around for this edition, and we'll see you in the next video.